How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be fishing a big tournament at Logan Martin. It's the Benton Nissan tournament run by King's Home. So really good tournament benefiting charities. I'm really looking forward to it. It's got a bunch of big prizes. I think $5,000 is up for grabs here. A bunch of other prizes, second, third place, and so on. You might have seen in the title, but we are fishing off of my 1975 Venture, the first boat I ever fished off of. Me and my dad picked it up for like $3,000, and it was just a boat we were going to start out on, and we loved working on it and stuff, so we fixed it up a little bit, and it's just a great boat. I am fishing solo, which I'm pretty happy about because the boat is pretty small. Just the deck up front isn't as big as what I'm used to with my Nitro. And the reason for fishing off of this boat is because the Nitro's in the shop. Obviously, can't fish off of it if it's in the shop. Just getting a little repair on the electrical system. But I'm actually going to go practice tomorrow morning, and we're going to go try to catch some big ones in the grass. I'm going to try to stay in there as long as I can. I'll try to fish some seawall stuff, try to catch a big spotted bass. But really, I think it's going to win this tournament is probably 17 or 18 pounds. And I haven't done that before on Logan Martin, so it's the first time for everything. Hopefully I can pull a big bag out of Logan Martin for this tournament. Today we're going to be using Colossians 3:23. It says, "Whatever you do, work at it with all your heart, as for the Lord, not for human masters." And it's a really good verse to keep in mind when I'm fishing and when it's hot outside, when it's hard. I just got to keep in mind why I'm doing it. But yeah, like I said, I'm looking forward to it, and I'll see you guys out on the water. Little guy up here at 1.5. Weigh him though. We keep our best 5 just so we know what we're looking at. 1.5. Oh my gosh. Never foul hooked a bass like this. Wow. That's crazy. It's 1.5 again. He swiped that and I guess I foul hooked him. That is wild. Gosh, I might have a limit of just 1 3/4 pounders. So guys, what I'm kind of doing is I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to start in the morning. All the good stuff I'm fishing is pretty much next to the launch, like community hole stuff, and I just want to find somewhere that's not going to get disturbed by all the wakes in the morning with everyone blasting off. So I'm looking for a morning spot I can start off on. It's a decent one. But I'm also looking for some spots that I can just keep fishing that I know are gonna be good later in the day till probably like 10 a.m. and then I'll probably switch to some docks and brush and stuff like that. There we go. It's a 2. Spot a bass on a dock. A tiny guy. It's a 1.5. It's a good sign because it's like 9 o'clock right now, and they're still biting. That's good. Cool spot. So I think on my scale it said we had like 11.5 pounds. I caught a lot of fish. A lot of decent like 1.5 to 2 pound range. I did catch a 3-pound spotted bass off camera, so that was a good confidence booster. And I just think we need a couple of those to really push us up the leaderboard in the tournament. But yeah, I'm gonna load this boat up. We're gonna rig up, and like I said, there's some big money being given out of this tournament. Hopefully we can pull in some big fish and win some of that. But I'll see you guys tournament morning. Wasn't easy to leave you alone. It's getting harder each time that I go. If I had the choice, I would stay. There's no one like you. I can't wait for the night with you. I imagine the things we do. I just wanna be loved by you. No one like you. Come on. Bro, they just totally cut me off by like 50 yards. That's not cool at all. I'm not gonna go up to them because I don't care. I don't care that much. Sucks. I like this stretch. no. Oh. That was a 3-pound spot. There we go. Probably a 1 3/4, 2 pounds. Yes, sir. Give me that, baby. Give me that, baby. Let's go. Sir, first cast with the jig. That's what I'm talking about. It's a 3. It's a 3-pounder. Let's go. Third fish. We need 2 more, and then we need to start trolling. We need to get some big fish. Good one. Good one. It's a good one to have. It's a 2.5. Maybe a 2 1/4. Yeah, decent. There's number 5. Good one. Ah, it's not that big. I thought that was a giant. Big one. Big one. I thought this was bigger. No. Oh, I got one. Bro, there's no way I just did that. I just broke off. Bro, I just broke off and then grabbed my line and caught this fish. Little, I don't know how he breaks lines, but. Look at that one. He's a good one. He'll pull out one of my other ones. vicious. He's probably gonna call. Oh God, he put off. That's happened too many times today. Cole. Gosh, I thought he was small when I was fighting him. But he's gonna give us 11 pounds probably, yeah. I'd be really happy if we could get to 15. We've got like 2 hours left, but the spots that I'm hitting on the way back up to the ramp are big fish spots. I've only caught big fish there, so. Guys, I just caught this one. Look what's in its mouth. What the heck? It's a Rapala little minnow someone broke off. That's crazy. That's gonna cull though. That's a good cull. Giant, giant. Be a bass, be a bass. Made a run like he was a bass. Don't be a catfish. What's a bass? Oh, come on, get it. Ooh. Oh, I thought that was a giant. He's foul hooked a little bit, so. Yeah, he was foul hooked right there. That's why I thought he was too big to be a bass at first, but he's heavy. He's gonna cull. Bro, I don't even know if that's legal. Is it legal to fish with 2 rods? That's crazy, bro. I've always like done this, but never actually worked. A little largemouth. We did not beat the storm. We did not beat the storm at all. Am I disappointed? Kind of. Because I could have had an extra 30 minutes of fishing if I had just stayed back. because that's what other people did, but it's fine. We weighed in 11.3 pounds for 5 fish, so it's a decent day on Logan Martin. I was hoping for more than that, but we did have a couple of big bites, which was really cool to see. I love that fish on the jig. That made my day. And I think 18 won, so I would have had to be doing something totally different to win this tournament. So no hard feelings about the fish that I lost, the multiple fish that I lost. That one ride at the boat sucked, but like I said, it is what it is. I'll come back here ready to go again soon, probably in a week or two. I want to do some night tournaments out here, so we'll see about that. But I hope you guys like this video, especially me fishing on this boat. It was a different experience, definitely, because there's no screens up there, so I couldn't even see what time it was when I was fishing, because I don't fish with my phone in my pocket. But it was smaller. It was weird, kind of like fishing solo too on this thing, because it's a 19-foot boat. But yeah, like I said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more videos of me on this boat, let me know, and I will definitely do it. See you guys in the next one.